Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting stale bread because dryness yields crisp crumbs. Tear it into roughly 1 to 2 centimeter pieces so the processor works evenly. Place pieces into the bowl, but don't overload. Pulse in 1-second bursts to avoid paste. Once the texture breaks down, stop and inspect. If large chunks remain, reorder pieces and pulse again. This step creates uniformity and prevents clumping later, so make sure you have a mix of coarse and fine fragments before moving on. Once you have initial crumbs, spread them on a single layer tray to dry evenly. This removes residual moisture and intensifies flavor. Bake at 120 degrees C for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring once until lightly toasted. Watch closely so they don't brown too much. After cooling, return to the processor to grind to coarse, medium, or fine texture depending on use. Make sure to sift if you need uniform granules. This step controls crunch, absorption, and shelf stability. You finish by flavoring and storing. Toss crumbs with salt, dried herbs, or grated hard cheese if desired. Do this while still a bit warm so seasonings adhere. Transfer to an airtight container, room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or freeze for months to preserve quality. If crumbs become soggy, re-dry them at 90 to 100 degrees C until crisp, then re-grind if needed. A quick troubleshooting tip: if crumbs clump in the container, add a single paper towel to absorb excess moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.